Hello guys, in today's tutorial, I will teach you some knowledge on spraying test and spraying calibration. For spraying test, firstly, we have to check the centrifugal nozzles and the pump. And the operation procedures are as follows. Open Agricultural Assistant, click Mapping Flying, click upper right corner, and choose Operation. Click Begin nearby the particle size and slide particle size to check if it changes. Click Begin nearby flow rate and slide to check if the number changes. And please note, inaccurate or abnormal flow rate will cause the deviation of our results, so please always make sure that your operation is correct. For spraying calibration, the operation procedures of spraying calibration are as follows. Open our Agricultural Assistant, click Mapping Fly, and click on the upper right corner and choose Operation. Click Calibration nearby the pump calibration. And please place the drone horizontally. Do not shake the drone in the process of our calibration. Check if the deviation in the left picture, the angle is under 2, and if it no error, please click Calibration and click Next. Make sure no liquid in the tank and click Tare Weight. If you already calibrated, click upper right corner to skip this step. Fill up the tank and click Next. Click Calibration, waiting for the calibration to complete. If it fails, please try more times. Check if the curve after calibration is smooth. If not, please calibrate again. And please note, in the process of calibration, do not touch or shake the drone in case of deviation, which may cause failure of our calibration. And secondly, in the process of calibration, do not press hard on our tank, which may also cause failure. And thirdly, before calibration, please make sure the key value of our weight sensor 1, 2, 3 are all correct. That's all for today's tutorial. Please subscribe us to unlock more crop protection skills.